everyone. So this is our website which we have created just now, and next we are going to deploy it onto some server. So we are looking for some web hosting server. So there are many web hosts. Few are free, some are chargeable, and some are free for few months, and after that is chargeable. But for this demonstration I'm going to deploy it on Amazon Web Services. Okay. Basically Amazon Web Services provide a 12-month free service, and after that it is chargeable. So for that I need to open the AWS free account first. So I have already created this account, so directly I go for login and then start the process. So for login you need to type AWS Management Console. So I'll do the login quickly, and after that I explain you things step by step. Alright, so if I click on all services, so these many things are there which you can further explore, but today I'm going to deploy it on S3. So I'll look for S3. In storage it is there, so I click on this. This page will pop up. In this first step, to create the bucket, so on the right hand side you can see create bucket in orange color tab. So I click on this and then provide some name to the bucket, which will reflect on the URL also afterwards. So here you can select your time zone. I've already selected this. Then I don't want to block the public access, so I uncheck this, acknowledge, and then create the bucket. So bucket has been created. Now next step is to upload all the data, like HTML file, CSS file, or if you have JavaScript file along with the images. So I'll upload this. It will start uploading. It will take some time, and after that I need to link it with the server. So first of all I start with a main file, that is HTML file, index.html. so I need to provide the permission. Okay. So in this you can see the permission option is there, but you can see on the right hand side the URL is also there. So this is the URL. This will be the URL of our website. So if you click on this, it will not get open because the things are not linked with the server yet. Okay, so we can see it here. See, some problem is there. So let's give it the permission, then reopen it. So in permission, just go to the edit and check all the boxes. Read. Okay, save changes. So this is the basic step of providing permission, and now if we click on the link, it should get open. So these steps we will follow for each file, be it CSS or the image folder or any individual image. So just see it here. So website is coming, but since the CSS file is not linked, so CSS is not coming, and images are also not coming because we have not linked those things yet. So we will do it after this. So next we are going to link the CSS file. So the process is same Now CSS will come. CSS is coming, this is styling, but still images are not coming. Okay. So this is the image folder. There should be one way to directly give the permission to this whole folder, but right now I don't know the procedure. So I'm going to do it manually one by one. Alright, so now everything has been linked. So this time if I open the website, it should get open properly. So yes, you can see it is the same which we have designed and it's proper. So if you share this link with anyone, they will be able to access your website. So that is your URL. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.